you the name of your CPU? Yeah, it's an Alder Lake Intel CPU. It's a 12700K. These are really good. Like, they're the best right now. Alright, it's time to actually crash Gary's mod now. That was a lot. Okay, the key to getting as many barrels as you can is to only spawn a certain amount in dense chunks like this. Like that, and just spreading them out. That way they don't interact with each other too much. They're still blowing up somewhere. They're still coming closer. Oh no. Okay, we need to go all out, all out, all out, all out. Should be able to see a prop limit in the Q menu. Oh, the Q menu. I don't know how to use computer. Someone, I don't use computer. Someone please help me. I don't know how to use computer. I'm making someone. I can't fix the error. Someone please help me. I don't know how to use computer. Otherwise, someone I can't fix the error. Someone please help me. I don't know how to use computer. Otherwise, someone use computer. Otherwise, someone use error. I can't fix the error. Someone please help me. I don't know how to use computer. Otherwise, someone use error. I can't fix the error. Someone please help me. I don't know how to use computer. Someone please help me.